Welcome to the coachingchief.com. Today we are going to look at SI units and physical quantities. Now imagine you're told that a table is 5 long. 5 what? 5 meters, 5 centimeters, or 5 kilometers. Without units, numbers are meaningless in physics. Numbers don't carry any sense in science. That's why in physics, we don't just measure, we measure properly and universally using standard units called SI units. Now, what are we measuring? And we are measuring what we call a physical quantity. Anything that can be measured and expressed with a number and a unit is what we call a physical quantity, and it must have two parts. It must have a magnitude, that is a number, and then it must have a unit, that is a standard measurement.